Hate spending hours scrubbing, dusting, and sweeping? These smart Amazon cleaning gadgets are designed to take the work off your hands and keep your home spotless with minimal effort. From tackling tough messes to managing daily upkeep, they make cleaning faster, easier, and far less stressful. All the products are linked in the description below. This isn't just a vacuum, it's a tiny household helper. With its mechanical arm, it can move small objects like socks or tissues out of the way before finishing the clean underneath. Powerful suction handles dirt and dust effortlessly, while the mop system scrubs floors with hot water for a sparkling shine. Smart navigation lets it glide around furniture and cables without getting stuck. Plus, the self-cleaning dock keeps it ready for weeks of hands-free cleaning. Sweeping just got smarter. This cordless floor sweeper glides across hardwood, tile, and short rugs with ease. Its rotating brush picks up dust and crumbs in seconds, while the triangular head reaches corners that brooms often miss. The built-in LED light highlights hidden dirt, and lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver. With up to 30 minutes of runtime and a one-click dustbin emptying system, it makes tidying up a breeze. Fresh feet start with fresh shoes. This rechargeable deodorizer slips inside sneakers or boots and uses ozone technology to neutralize odors at the source. No sprays, no chemicals, just pure freshness reaching every corner of your footwear. Automatic operation and mess-free shutdown keep your shoes clean, long-lasting, and ready to wear wherever you go. Scrubbing tough messes doesn't have to wear you out. This clever cleaning brush fits comfortably in your hand, letting you tackle dirt without straining your wrists. It comes with plenty of disposable pads that stick easily and lift away grime. Perfect for glass, toilets, and other tricky surfaces, it makes cleaning faster and more efficient. Durable and practical, it keeps your home fresh with minimal effort. No one likes stepping into damp shoes after a long day. This foldable boot dryer uses warm air to remove moisture quickly, keeping footwear dry and comfortable. Telescopic arms adjust to fit everything from sneakers to work boots, even gloves. The smart timer lets you set it and forget it, saving energy while protecting your gear. Compact, quiet, and portable. It's a must-have for rainy days and winter weather. Your favorite sweater doesn't have to look worn out. This rechargeable fabric shaver removes lint, fuzz, and pilling to bring clothes back to life. 3 speed settings let you handle delicate fabrics or thicker upholstery with ease. An LED display shows battery life and speed, while fast Type-C charging and long-lasting battery make fabric care effortless. Imagine a pool that practically cleans itself while you relax. This cordless robotic pool vacuum glides across floors, walls, and the waterline, scrubbing dirt and debris. Smart navigation maps out the most efficient path so no spot is missed. With 4 cleaning modes and a large filter that traps leaves and fine particles, your pool stays sparkling and ready for a swim. Cleaning your ears doesn't have to be risky or uncomfortable. This smart irrigator uses gentle water streams to safely flush out wax without cotton swabs. A built-in sensor keeps the water at the perfect temperature, while 4 pressure settings let you choose your comfort level. Waterproof design makes rinsing easy, straight in the sink or shower. Smudges, crumbs, and dust don't stand a chance with this 20-in-1 cleaning kit. Packed with soft brushes for keyboards, a cleaning pen for earbuds, microfiber cloths for streak-free screens, and even a blower for cameras, it keeps your gadgets spotless. Compact and reusable, it works on phones, laptops, AirPods, and more. One kit for every device. Pet hair hiding in carpets? This clever rake pulls it all up in seconds. Copper bristleheads grab fur, lint, and dust without damaging rugs or furniture. The long handle saves your back, letting you push and watch the mess lift away. Tough and reusable, it works on carpets, couches, mats, and more. Finally, a simple way to win the battle against pet hair. Clogs don't stand a chance with this electric plunger. High-pressure air blasts through pipes, clearing blockages faster than manual pumps. The angled head seals tightly to prevent splashes, and multiple attachments handle sinks, drains, and toilets alike. Rechargeable via USB-C, it's always ready when you need it. What if your leftovers could actually help your plants? This electric composter turns food scraps into dry, odor-free powder you can use as fertilizer. Its triple blade system chews through waste from every angle. Press a button, let it run overnight, and wake up to a cleaner kitchen and happier plants. Who knew scrubbing the toilet could feel this easy? This electric brush spins at high speed, tackling stains faster than regular scrubbers. Its soft silicone head flexes to reach every corner without scratching. Ventilated base keeps it dry and odor-free, and wall mounting makes storage simple. Recharge when needed and let it handle the dirty work. Staying hydrated just got smarter. This insulated bottle purifies water with UV light, killing bacteria and keeping the interior fresh. A built-in filter improves taste by removing chlorine and other contaminants. Pair it with an app to track intake and set hydration goals. Double wall insulation keeps your water icy cold all day. Grill nights just got easier. This robot scrubber tackles BBQ grates with spinning brushes that power through grease and char. Press start, relax, and it beeps when done. Now you can focus on food and fun, not cleanup. Tired of scrubbing floors on your hands and knees? This cordless electric mop makes the job effortless. Powerful rotating pads scrub away dirt while the built-in water spray handles stains. An LED light helps you spot messes, and a smart display shows battery life and cleaning mode. Spotless floors without breaking a sweat. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals. This steam cleaner blasts grease, grime, and germs using only superheated steam. With 17 attachments, it handles floors, tiles, upholstery, kitchens, bathrooms, even car interiors. One fill gives nearly an hour of cleaning, leaving every corner fresh, sanitized, and spotless. Dust in the car, crumbs on the couch, dirt in your keyboard. This handheld vacuum handles it all. Powerful suction with 3 levels clears stubborn debris from tight spots. It also blows air, inflates, and even assists with vacuum sealing. Lightweight and cordless, it goes wherever you need it. Here's a mop that works while you rest. This 3-pin robot uses rotating pads and steady pressure to scrub hard floors and tiles. Ultra-quiet operation lets you enjoy peace while it cleans. A built-in water tank keeps the mops damp, while smart sensors prevent bumps or falls. Remote control makes it just one button away from sparkling floors. Leaves, bugs, and debris don't stand a chance against this robotic pool skimmer. Dual motors and AI navigation glide across the water, collecting everything from twigs to oily residue. Switch modes, dock it, or check battery from your phone. Oversized filter traps loads of debris. Drop it in, relax, and enjoy a spotless pool without lifting a net. Scrubbing by hand takes forever, so let your drill do the work. This 15-piece power scrubber set transforms any drill into a cleaning machine. Multiple brush heads tackle tubs, tiles, carpets, and even car wheels. Flexible extensions reach tight corners, while heavy-duty pads handle stubborn kitchen grease. Snap on an attachment, pull the trigger, and watch grime disappear. Wrinkles don't stand a chance with this mini garment steamer. Heats in just 15 seconds and provides a smooth flow of steam for up to 10 minutes. Lightweight and easy to hold, it works at any angle without water spots. Perfect for travel or quick touch-ups at home, keeping clothes fresh and crisp wherever you are. Hate cleaning windows? Let a robot do it. This smart window cleaner sticks to glass with strong suction, dual water sprays leave surfaces streak-free, and edge detection prevents slips. Navigate around frames with the app or remote. Sit back and enjoy crystal clear views, no effort required. Crumbs on the floor? No problem. This electrostatic sweeper grabs dirt, dust, and pet hair like a magnet the moment it touches the ground. Works on carpets and hard floors, gliding quietly under furniture and into tight spots. No cords, no batteries, just quick, effortless cleaning. Press to empty, and it's ready for the next mess.